Good afternoon from the beautiful city of Europe, Budapest. Since it's my second day here, I decided to visit some public attractions which are available for tourists. I didn't know anything about it, but I looked into Google and ChatGPT to figure out where to go and what to visit. Alright then, join me in this journey where I'll figure out how the attractions are and we will go through the public, what is available for the public. So here we are at our first stop, Buda Castle. So honestly, I know nothing about it. I know nothing about the history, nothing what's inside or whatever, but let me tell you what, I like the architecture, you know, like it's beautiful, look at it. Probably there is a museum inside, I don't know, like it says Hungary International Gallery, yeah, probably some art or something they're just showing off, yeah. I don't know, should I go inside? No idea. I'm just gonna walk around, figure out what that is, and yeah, just check out. The view is insane from here. It's incredible. Amazing looking city. Beautiful. Gosh, let me show you. I don't know if you can see, but it's insane. Crazy. So as we walk through this beautiful Buda Castle, let me tell you what, it's crazy hot today. It's super hot. I'm just cooking. Gosh, it's really hot. But the weather is beautiful. Look at the sky, is amazing. I'm gonna have to visit 2 more places which happen to be across the river, across the bridge. So before that I decided to take a little walk in this beautiful neighborhood and show you how cute it is, and the architecture is just amazing. I love walking through this beautiful European neighborhood wherever you can see the old architectures, old buildings are like both sides of the street, and you just walk through. It gives you a beautiful feeling. Just imagine yourself living here and waking up every single morning with a very beautiful view right there. You open your window and there you go. You get to see the beautiful view every single morning. How cool is that? I'm loving the city more and more. As far as I'm just walking deep into the city, just falling in love. Beautiful. Such a cool vibe here around. People are smiling, friendly little people. Look at the beauty here. Amazing. Like as usual, I don't know what that is, but I had to check on the internet. It's like I'm the worst type of tourist that I came to visit places and stuff, but doesn't know nothing about it. So I just pulled out my cell phone and checked what that is. It says on the Google map like Castle Hill. Look at this beauty. I told you it's beautiful. Look at this here. I like the roof. It's beautiful. When you're here, you think you're alone, and you just don't want to wander around like me. Thing I was doing here. Then you can join one of these like free tour kind of thing. Like there are lots of it. Like there are a lot. It's like they say like a free tour or something, and at the end you just give the guide a little bit of tip, something like as you want. You can join this if you don't want to wander like me. Why don't I do it? Because I like walking on my own, exploring things, you know. You can walk hours and hours and you would really enjoy it, you know, because the architecture and everything. I'm mentioning way too often because it is beautiful. It is worth to mention, you know. You have to mention. You can't get away with this. In front of me, the Hungarian Parliament, one of the most visited place in Budapest. Oh, the building is massive. Let me show you. It's beautiful. Let me tell you the fun fact about this. This is one of the first parliaments to have electricity back then. It's really big. Huge. One of the coolest architects of Austro-Hungarian Empire. In front of the parliament, you would just see the little water waves kind of things, like not waves, I don't know, it's like water spray kind of thing. In summer, whenever it's too hot, they just turn it on like every half an hour, and just people come here and just you know, like cool themselves down. I guess I was at the back of the parliament. I don't know which one is the front. I guess this one is the front. Look at it. Probably this is the front, and that's the sideways. I don't know. Like, yeah, whatever it is, look, it's massive. I was telling you, it's huge. During the winter 1944 to 1945, the Arrow Cross Party carried out a massive execution of Jews in Budapest. They were carried over here by the bank of the river and they ordered to remove their shoes. And they just shoot them. They fell into the water and carried by the water. But the fact that they were ordered to remove their shoes, because that back in those days shoes are like expensive stuff, so that they can later on sell these things or probably reuse this. And that's really sad because the victims are like children, women and men as well. So this is it, the end of the journey. I took a train like back in 20th of July from Germany to Budapest, and I spent almost 3 days here in this beautiful city, and today I need to leave. I need to go back to Germany, and this is the end of the story, end of the beautiful Budapest little series or whatever, I don't know. so I didn't have any idea about the city, but I just came, explored, I lived the moment, and I learned a lot of things. Explored the new things and learned a lot of things about life and stuff. Life is very different here, unlike Germany. Let me tell you what, people are really friendly, really friendly. Unlike Germany, like in Germany, people are like a bit sad. They're just really focused and concentrated about their whole life, like work, and just coming home, working, sleeping, and working, like work. Here, I saw it doesn't matter if it's Monday evening or Saturday night, Sunday night. Like they just really separated their work life and their private life. You know, like you see every single day like party, and they're just chilling after the office work and stuff. So yeah, I liked it. This was one of the greatest journey I've ever had in my life. Like, yeah, it's sad that we have to end it here. It doesn't matter. That's the ending, and every single ending has a new beginning. So I'm not sad that I'm ending here, but probably we'll see each other in another country, another destination. Probably I'll experience some new things in another country. Well, let's see. But it's really sad that we came here and we had a little time that we spent. Now we have to go. So I'm at the station. I arrive and my train is leaving in some minutes. Alright, so that's it. I'll see you around.